Hi, I'm Josh with ICI. We're currently standing at the main entrance, or what will be the main entrance of the school. Behind me, this week we installed the structural steel for units B and C, the south portion of the building. By Thursday or Friday of next week, this is the last sequence of the structural steel install right directly behind me. That should be wrapping up. We will still have a couple weeks of detailing with the steel and putting the deck down, but as far as the erection portion, it should be about wrapped up. As far as site work, we got exterior light poles installed, we got curb and sidewalk installed along the west side and around to the south side of the school. Thank you.